Hi, this is Silent Origami and welcome to my new video. And in this video I'll be folding this cool and beautiful Easter bunny because of the Easter season. Happy Easter everyone. And it's time for spring to come and show us some colors. So this is a really simple model, but yet really beautiful, and you can even put chocolate eggs inside or some candies for your kids, so that's really useful. You're gonna need a square sheet of origami paper. I'm using regular kami paper, and the beauty of this model is that you can start with white side up and you're gonna end up with the model with white ears. Or if you start color side up, then your bunny will be white and the ears will be will have the color, any color that you're gonna choose. So I prefer this one, so I'm going to start with white side up. So if you want to see me fold this bunny, here it comes. And this is a regular Chinese balloon fold. So if you want to see that tutorial for that model, you can click right here. So now I'm just gonna make a slight pinch over here to mark the middle. It's easier for me. And then the same on the other side. And just tuck that in this pocket. And now you just need to inflate the model by blowing in this little hole. And there you have it. An Origami Easter Bunny. I hope you're enjoying this season and you're celebrating Easter with your family. Yeah, I love it so much. And thank you for watching again. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. This means a lot. And if you're not already my subscriber, then please click here to subscribe. Also click here to watch my previous video. Don't forget to click that bell button to receive notifications each time when I folded a new origami. And as always, my origami is silent. What about yours?